हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका साथी जसवंत कुमार चौहान। आज के इस वीडियो में क्लास 10th के रिवाइज्ड एंड डिलीटेड सिलेबस की बात कर रहा हूँ। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस chapter wise and unit wise that what are the chapters, what are the portions of a particular chapter is deleted for this year for class 10th. But before going to that one, we will first confirm the course structure for class 10th. And for course structure of class 10th, see unit 1, that is chemical substances, nature and behavior. This is the part of chemistry forming 26 marks. World of living, unit number 2, comprising the biology sections there and having a weightage of 23 marks. Unit number 3, natural phenomenon. Unit number 4, effects of current, will be forming 26 marks once again, having the concepts of physics, chapters of physics. And unit number 5, natural resources, that is from the part of biology, comprising of 5 marks. And overall these 5 units will be forming total 18 marks. So dear friends, we will start the deleted and revised syllabus chapter wise. So let us start from the part of chemistry, that is unit 1, chemical substances, nature and behavior. In the chapter 1, see, the chapter 1 is chemical reactions and equations. So from this chapter, nothing is removed, nothing part is deleted, none part is deleted, dear friends. Whatever was there, that is there in this year as well. जहाँ chemical reactions, balanced chemical equations, implication of balanced chemical equation, types of reactions, whatever we will study there, the same we have to study here once again. In chapter 2, nothing is removed, means acid, bases and salt, none part is deleted, dear friends. But if we come to the chapter number 3, that is metals and non-metals, in this chapter some part is removed. So what is removed या deleted from this chapter? See, basic metallurgical processes, जो metallurgy वाला part होता है, this is removed. Corrosion and its prevention, this part is also removed this year. So इसके अलावा जो बचता है, that is properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation of ionic compound and properties of ionic compounds, that we have to study under the chapter metals and non-metals. Dear friends, if we come to the chapter number 4, carbon and its compound, a bigger part is removed from this chapter. क्या क्या रिमूव किया गया है? सी, nomenclature of carbon compound containing functional groups, halogens, alcohol, ketones, aldehydes, alkanes and alkynes. मतलब nomenclature वाला जो part है, this is removed this year. Difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon, chemical properties of carbon compounds like combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution reactions, and the properties and uses of ethanol and ethanoic acid is removed, and soaps and detergent. A major part of this chapter is removed. क्या इसमें बचता है जो हमको स्टडी करना है? तो सी डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज कार्बन कंपाउंड्स. कोवेलेंट बॉन्डिंग क्या होती है, वर्सेटाइल नेचर ऑफ कार्बन क्या होता है, एंड होमोलोगस सीरीज, these are left. So we have to study this part only. Dear friends, if we come to the chapter number 5, this is periodic classification of elements. So nothing is deleted, nothing is removed from this chapter, dear friends. So this is about the part of chemistry. If we come to the unit number 2, that is world of living, so from chapter number 6, that is life processes, none part is deleted. कुछ भी इसमें delete नहीं हुआ है. लाइफ प्रोसेस में जो हम कंसेप्ट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, रेस्पिरेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड इवोल्यूशन, एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स पढ़ते थे, सेम इज हियर dear friends. But if we see chapter number 7, that is control and coordination, so whole chapter is deleted this year. Whole chapter is deleted this year. Control and coordination, hormones, involuntary and reflex actions, ये पूरा जो पूरा पार्ट है, ये कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, द होल चैप्टर इज रिमूव्ड. चैप्टर नंबर 8, हाउ डू एनिमल रिप्रोड्यूस, नन पार्ट इज डिलीटेड. इसमें से कुछ भी पार्ट डिलीट नहीं किया गया है. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी द रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स, एसेक्सुअल एंड सेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ क्या होता है, नीड एंड मेथड्स ऑफ फैमिली प्लानिंग, एंड दैट इज सेफ सेक्स वर्सेस HIV एड्स एंड चाइल्ड बेयरिंग एंड वुमेन्स हेल्थ. ये जो पूरा पार्ट है, दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी अंडर द चैप्टर, दैट इज हाउ डू एनिमल रिप्रोड्यूस. If we come to the chapter number 9, this is heredity and evolution. So some part is removed. See, heredity and evolution में basic concept of evolution is removed. Basic concept of evolution is deleted. Other than this, Mendel's contribution, laws of inheritance of traits, sex determination, a brief introduction is there that we have to study under this chapter. If we come to the unit number 3, that is natural phenomena, which will be a part of physics. So see chapter number 10, that is light reflection and refraction. None part is removed dear friends. इसमें से कुछ भी रिमूव नहीं किया गया है. पूरा चैप्टर हमको क्लास 10th में वापस पढ़ना है. But if we see chapter number 11, human eye and colorful world, the entire chapter is deleted dear friends. Entire chapter is deleted. इसमें human eye, colorful world, functioning of lenses in human eye, defect of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirror and lenses, ये part है which is deleted for this year from class 10th chapter number 11. If we come unit number 4, that is effects of current, तो इसकी अगर हम बात करें dear friends, तो electricity which is forming chapter number 12, none part is deleted. इसमें से कुछ भी part delete नहीं किया है. But if we see chapter number 13, that is magnetic effects of electric current, so in this chapter a number of concept, a number of topics are removed. क्या क्या रिमूव किया है, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर, डायरेक्ट करंट, दैट इज DC, अल्टरनेटिंग करंट, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ AC, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ AC करंट ओवर DC करंट, डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट्स. ये पार्ट डियर फ्रेंड्स डिलीट किया गया है. इसके अलावा जो भी पार्ट बचता है, दैट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, फील्ड लाइंस ड्यू टू द current carrying conductors, fields due to the current carrying coils, force on current carrying conductors, Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule. ये जो भी पार्ट है, ये हमको इस चैप्टर में स्टडी करना है. Dear friends, if we come to the unit 5, which is forming natural resources, having 2-3 chapters here. Chapter number 14, that is sources of energy. ये sources of energy, the entire unit is deleted dear friends. Entire chapter is deleted, जिसमें हम different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy, ये पूरा पार्ट हम पढ़ते थे, which is deleted for this year. If you see chapter number 15, our environment, nothing is removed dear friends. इसमें से कुछ भी पार्ट रिमूव नहीं किया है, कुछ भी पार्ट डिलीट नहीं किया है. If we see chapter number 16, that is management of natural resources, forming internal assessment, so इसमें से भी कुछ भी पार्ट डिलीट नहीं किया है, none part is deleted. But CBSE has recommended This portion of the unit is not to be assessed in the year end examination. मतलब इस यूनिट से, इस चैप्टर से ईयर एंडिंग एग्ज़ाम जो होती है उसमें नहीं दिया जाएगा. दिस चैप्टर विल बी ए पार्ट ऑफ इंटरनल असेसमेंट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. Dear friends, this was about the theory part. Some more is there, that is deleted practicals. क्या क्या practicals रिमूव किए हैं? Around 6 to 7 practicals are removed. कौन कौन से हैं? See, from the first chemistry, finding the pH of the following samples by using pH paper or universal indicator. Number second, that is from physics, determination of equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in series or parallel. Number third, preparing a temporary mount of leaf peel to show stomata. This is from bio, so these practicals are removed, deleted for this year. Number fourth, study of the following properties of acetic acid forming from the part of chemistry. Study of comparative cleaning capacity of sample of soap in soft and hard water. This is again from chemistry. Finding the image distance for varying objects distances in case of convex lens and drawing corresponding ray diagram to show the nature of image formed. This is from the physics part. And last, that is identification of different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed, that is pea, gram or red kidney beans. ये बायोलॉजी का पार्ट है. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, these 7 practicals are deleted from class 10th for this year. सो मुझे लगता है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो थैंक यू ऑल. Please visit and subscribe the channel named eTube Academy. This is from your friend, that is जसवंत कुमार चौहान, PGT केमिस्ट्री, केंद्रीय विद्यालय महू. आगे हम वीडियो में और भी साइंस के कुछ और कंसेप्ट्स की बात करेंगे. तब तक के लिए आप सभी को धन्यवाद.